Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Buddy podcast. I am Sam.
And I am Sophia. It is so good to be here with you today.
We hope you are having a wonderful week. We are ready to help you practice your English listening.
Yes, we want you to feel relaxed and happy while you listen. Learning English should be fun.
Before we start, we want to say a big thank you to all our listeners.
We read your comments and they make us smile. You are all doing a great job.
If you like our podcast, please remember to click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel. It helps other English learners find us too.
Thank you so much for your support.
Sam, what are we talking about today?
Today, we have a very important topic. It is about handling misunderstandings.
Oh, that is a big one. You mean when we don't understand what someone says?
Exactly. Or when we say something, but the other person understands something different.
This happens to everyone, even native speakers.
You are right. But for English learners, it can feel scary. Today, we will talk about how to fix these moments calmly.
Sam, tell me the truth. Do you ever have misunderstandings in English?
Oh, yes, all the time. Just last week, I was at a coffee shop.
What happened?
The barista, the person making coffee, asked me a question. He spoke very fast.
I hate that. When people speak too fast, my brain stops working.
Exactly. My brain froze. I just smiled and said yes.
Oh no. What did he ask?
I think he asked if I wanted extra sugar, but I ended up with a very sweet coffee. I don't like sweet coffee.
That is funny, but also a little sad. Why didn't you ask him to repeat?
I was embarrassed. I didn't want him to think my English was bad.
I understand completely. We feel shy. We think, if I ask again, I will look stupid.
That is the problem. But really, most people are kind.
True. I had a situation yesterday at the bank. The woman used a difficult word.
What did you do?
I was brave. I said, I am sorry, I do not know that word. Can you explain it?
Wow, that is great. What did she say?
She smiled. She used simpler words. It was actually very easy.
See, the fear is in our heads. The reality is usually fine.
Yes, a misunderstanding is not a failure. It is just a part of conversation.
I agree. It is like a dance. Sometimes you step on a foot. You just say sorry and keep dancing.
That is a beautiful example, Sam. We must keep dancing.
Also, sometimes the other person is the problem. Maybe they are speaking too quietly.
Right. It is not always our fault. Maybe the room is noisy.
Exactly. So we need to stay calm. Panic makes it harder to listen.
When I panic, I hear 0 words, just noise.
Me too. So the first step is to breathe.
We used some good words just now. Let's look at them.
Yes. First, we use the word misunderstanding.
A misunderstanding is when two people think different things. I say A, but you hear B.
Exactly. It is a mistake in communication. Next, I like the word clarify.
Oh, that is a strong word. To clarify means to make something clear.
Yes. If I am confused, I can ask you to clarify. It means, please explain it better.
And one more simple word, pardon.
Pardon is a polite way to say sorry or what did you say?
It is very useful. Pardon me sounds very nice and soft.
So, Sam, what can our listeners do when they don't understand?
I have 3 simple tips. First, don't pretend.
Good tip. Don't just say yes like Sam did at the coffee shop.
Exactly. Be honest. Second, learn a few rescue phrases.
Rescue phrases? Like, could you repeat that, please?
Yes, or could you speak a little slower?
I like that. My tip is use your body language. Look confused.
That works. If you look confused, the other person will naturally try to help you. Let's remember what we talked about today.
Misunderstandings are normal. They happen to everyone.
Don't be afraid to ask for help. It shows you want to understand.
Use polite words like pardon or could you repeat.
And remember, people are usually happy to help you.
We hope this episode makes you feel more confident.
You are doing a great job learning English. Be patient with yourself.
We have a question for you today. What phrase do you use when you don't understand?
Do you say sorry or what or something else? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your answers. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.